One of the reasons Aldevron has been successful over the years is our ability to forecast what the market needs and what our customers need, and being able to implement the future of Aldevron tomorrow to start thinking about those things today.
When we think about delivering drug product and the ultimate end goal for our clients and the power of bringing all of these different assets together across Danaher, it's really a no-brainer that we should be in this space.
I believe we can be a part of the broader healthcare space in shaping that. We're on that pivotal edge. New science, new therapies, new vaccines. If we want to be part of this, we need to go out and grab the market share right now.
We will stand up to the challenge. We have the best team in the manufacture of nucleic acids and gene editing. We have the support from very top tier leadership of a major top Fortune 500 company. The best team wins.
I think part of believing we are going to be successful is having that belief. We have been doing this for 25 years. We have a lot of partners. Looking at drug product manufacture is really just an extension of the commercial family we already have.
Of course, developing a product is not easy, but having a one-stop shop or having one partner, you have the same site within the same town, the same operators working on the same machines, that will make sure that your batches are consistent, quality, culture between these different batches.
Danaher and the portfolio of sister companies that we have makes us uniquely positioned here as a leader for this solution. There's a vast amount of technical competence within the Danaher portfolio that give us this leading position in this space, and that's why I'm really confident that once we're up and running, we are going to be the leaders here with our solution.
We're looking at helping patients in a whole new way, more directly, giving them an opportunity to look at Aldevron as a solution and not just a path to being a solution.
We are going to be very strong off the gate. We have access to P&I scientists. We have access to the Cytiva engineers and scientists. Some of these scientists were actually the patent holders of these new encapsulation technologies. So this is quite a value that we'll be able to instill trust to the clients that we'll be able to deliver on what we're promising.
To really make this program successful, each function plays a role, but without working together, it won't work. By engaging functions like manufacturing, quality, regulatory, methods development, commercial, and so on, and P&I, Cytiva, we all work together in one platform. We share our expertise, we combine our knowledge, we improve the competitive advantage of solution together.
I think customers are excited. I think that, again, since Aldevron is known as a reputable source or supplier for drug substance, I think they're excited about what we can do to deliver them the drug product.
I couldn't be more excited about what we're building here. The solution of a one-stop master cell bank through to fill finish drug product, sequence-to-vial, is probably the #1 and unmet need in the market today.
This is something our clients are asking for from us. It's unmanageable right now, the way clients have to work to bring an RNA drug product to market, working with 3, 4, 5 different outsourced partners. Our clients speak, we listen.
Imagine the impact to our clients, but most importantly, patients and patient outcomes. So that's why I'm most excited about this.
It's our 25th anniversary at Aldevron, 25 years of breaking new ground in this space. And as you know, our theme is advancing every day. And what does that mean? It means we don't stand still. It means we continue to innovate. We continue to bring new solutions and new innovations to the market. And this is a very natural evolution in that space. I would say we owe it to our patients. We owe it to the people out there who are waiting for these life-saving vaccines, therapeutics, etc. For us to do this, it compresses the time to bring things to market. It significantly reduces the burden and the cost to our clients. So why wouldn't we do this? We've absolutely earned the right, and I would argue we're the best position in the market to do it well.